Hari Om. Let us practice today Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi is a soundful breathing, victorious breathing. For practicing Ujjayi Pranayama, we have to contract the throat muscles very gently towards the neck and start breathing from the throat. So, Ujjayi is very helpful for balancing all the circulations of the body, heart rate, breathing rate, everything, and very useful for good sleep, for relaxation of your muscles and overall body and your mind. So, very good for stress, insomnia. So, how we can practice Ujjayi? We can make more sound or less sound. So, initially we should always practice let the sound comes itself. Don't force yourself for making the sound. So, I will show you Ujjayi breathing. So, in Ujjayi breathing, we have to breathe from the throat, but breathing needs to be complete and slow. So, when we are breathing complete and slow from the throat, we can hear the baby snoring sound, and if we force for breathing, then we can hear more sound, and it helps us to sweat, increase the body temperature. So, during the asana, during the practice or some exercise, usually we are making Ujjayi breath to relaxation, for the relaxation of the body. So, this is Ujjayi breathing, and because this is a balancing balancing pranayama, so we don't need to count exactly, but initially we can practice by the count of 15 repetition or maybe 25 repetition in 1 rounds or 2 rounds. So, this is all about Ujjayi Pranayama. Thank you so much.